Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we will be making burgers and wedges. Please follow my social media's links in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now on with the video. Ingredients: 4 large potatoes, 1 large egg, 1 clove of garlic, 1 onion, beef mince, salt, pepper and mixed herbs.
Good morning, sunshine.
Firstly, add the beef mince to a large bowl. Then mix it around till it's all broken up. The next step is to add a small amount of mixed herbs, salt and pepper. Then mix it in.
I love you.
The next step is to peel a layer from the garlic. Then dice it into small pieces. Like this. Next we need to peel an onion. Then do the same as what we did to the garlic. Peel your potatoes. Then cut them into wedge shapes. After you have done that, add them into a tray with some oil. The next step is to add your garlic and onion into the large bowl. Then mix it. Add your egg, then mix it again. Get a large tray and add some flour so they don't stick to the tray. Mix the mince in with your hand till it all sticks together. Get a large circular cookie cutter and place it on the tray. Then get a handful of mince and press it into the circle. Now all we have to do is put them in the oven. Here is the final result.